Want to unlock the secrets of your Binance crypto activity and gain a crystal clear view of your trades? First, go to the Binance website and log into your account with your email and password or through the Binance app on your mobile device. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet section. This is where all your assets reside, and also where you'll find your transaction history. In the wallet section, you'll typically find a drop-down menu or a sidebar option labeled Transaction History, Order History, or something similar. Click on it. You'll now see a detailed list of your past transactions. Here's where things get powerful. Use the filters to narrow down your search. You can filter by date range to view transactions within a specific period. You can also filter by currency to see all transactions related to a specific cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This helps you isolate the data you need. Need this data for accounting or tax purposes? Binance allows you to download your transaction history in various formats, usually CSV or Excel. Look for a download button or export option on the page. A quick reminder: always keep your Binance account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and regularly updating your password. This protects your transaction data. Understanding Binance's fee structure is also important. Be aware of the fees associated with different types of transactions, such as trading fees or withdrawal fees. This knowledge helps you manage your crypto portfolio more effectively. Now you can easily track your cryptocurrency investments, analyze your trading strategies, and stay on top of your crypto game using your transaction history on Binance.